cake with 3 ingredients. Super easy and very tasty. I will start this recipe using 10 eggs, which I will put everything in a bowl. This is the main ingredient for our fantastic cake. Take the notebook and write down the step-by-step for you to do in your home later. You'll thank me for teaching you this recipe. Then I will use a mixer, and I will beat everything very well. After you make this recipe, you will always want to make it because it is simple to make and the taste is incredibly delicious. Now I'll add a cup of sugar. I will beat again, incorporating the sugar to the beaten eggs. My family loves this recipe. I make it every week. I guarantee that after you do, it will become routine in your home. Finally, I will add the last ingredient of our recipe. I'll add a liter of milk. Again, I will beat everything very well until it turns into a homogeneous mixture. In the meantime, tell me which town you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Janet Nielsen from Denmark. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now, I will pour everything we have prepared into an oven-safe container. Make and try, the taste will surprise you. I'll bake it at 390 Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. After the time our amazing cake is ready, I'll cut a slice to finally taste this wonderful recipe. After I discovered this recipe, I always have the guaranteed dessert for family gatherings. Do it in your home, you will not regret it. Make and invite a special person to eat with you. I guarantee that your guest will love the results so much that will even ask you for the recipe. And look how it turned out. You need to try it. To get even better, I'll add a little sugar on top of our cake, used to taste. Now yes, our recipe is perfect. I bet a recipe like that, you've never seen. Tell me how you prepare cake in your home, would love to know your recipe. Perfect cake for you to make when you do not have much time to cook, simple to make and the best, extremely tasty. I hope you enjoyed our recipe. Thank you very much for taking us here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.